A very warm and a pleasant evening to one and all present over here. This is Adyan Singh from Standard 5th, currently studying in CBSE Competitive School. Today, I am here to talk about how science make our life easier. Science is like a magic that touches every part of our life. From moment we wake up, science is with us. Think about it. Our alarm clocks, fans, lights, and even toothbrushes we use all are gifts of science. Science helps us in many ways. It makes communication easier and faster with mobile phones and internet. Science illuminates the world by the inventions of LEDs, light bulbs, tube lights, and lasers. Science helps to understand weather patterns, climate change, and natural disasters. At medicine, science helps doctors to treat diseases and save lives. During lockdowns, vaccines made by scientists saved millions of people. Even at schools, we use technologies like smart boards, computers, and experiments that make learning fun and easier. In the end, I would like to put full stop in my speech by reciting a simple quote which says, "Science is our invisible helper, making life comfortable, faster, and healthier." That's all for today. Thank you all for your attention and have a nice day.
Good evening to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. Myself, Arkan Khan from class 5th. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of how science makes our life easier. Science has changed how we live and what we believe since the invention of plug. It has meant to pursue social concerns such as ethics, aesthetics, education, and justice, to create a culture and to improve humans' conditions by making life easier. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to all of you, respected chairperson, principal sir, all the teacher, and my dear classmates. My name is Lokesh Prasad from class 5th. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of how science make our life easy. Science plays a very important role to make our life easier. Today our life is easier due to the scientific inventions which save our time. Some of the examples are transportation, communication, and medicines, etc. It gives us sharp eye by telescope and microscopes. Mass production be easily by the machines, and it seems like human imagination true, and it is an amazing discovery. Science is an important discovery. I also like science, so that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to all of present here. This is Aditya from Standard 5th. Today I am here to deliver a evening speech on the topic of how science make our life easier. Science is a study of natural world. Science play an important role in our daily life. If every event has logical scientific explanation, science is unlimited and it is for the betterment of mankind. Science has made our life easier and improve our living substance. Practical is an important part of science subject. Without science is many answer and question. That's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here. This is Saurya standing in front of you to deliver an evening speech on the topic of how science make our life easier. First, we should know that what is science. Science is the study of natural laws. Science plays an important role in everyone's life. Modern age is the age of science. There are many ways that prove that science make our life easier. We use car, bus, train, etc. to go one place to another place. This is invention of science. We use soap to clean our body. This is given by science. We use LPG gas to cooking the food. This is given by science. Then our question is, who is the father of science? The Galileo Galilei is the father of science. There are many benefits but some losses of science. First we talk about benefit of science. It allows to develop new techniques and it make our life easier. Then in last I would talk about losses of science. It help to curate drugs and thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Nati Kumar from Standard 5th. It is an honor for me. Today I stand in front of you to deliver a speech. The topic of my speech is how science makes our life easier. First, let's think about healthcare. Science has given us many wonderful discoveries like vaccines and medicines. Thanks to scientists, we can prevent diseases and recover quickly when we get sick. Doctors use scientific knowledge how our bodies work, which helps to treat us better. Next, consider technology. Science has led to amazing inventions like computers, tablets, and smartphones. These devices to connect with our friends, learn new things, and even play fun games. With the internet, we can explore almost any topic we are curious about, from space to dinosaur, in just a few clicks. Transportation is another area where science makes a big difference. We can travel by car, bus, aeroplane, which help us visit our family and friends or go on adventures. Science has made our world smaller and easier to explore. At home, we rely on appliances that help to create it. Machines like washing machines, microwave, and refrigerator save us time and effort. For example, refrigerator keeps our food fresh and healthy, while a microwave heats our meal in just a few minutes and giving more time to enjoy with loved ones. Finally, science has understand how our planet. Scientists study nature, climate, and animals, teaching us how to protect our earth. With the help of we can learn to recycle, save energy, and take care of our earth. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here. This is Vans of Standard 5th, currently studying CBSE competitive school, once again in front of you to talk about how science makes our life easier. Before the presentation of my speech, let me throw the light on it once again that what is science? The word science is the group of 7 letters that are S, C, I, E, N, C and E. Each and every letters of this word have a special meaning. Here, S stands for systematic, C for comprehension, I for investigation, E for exploration, and where N stands for natural. And the last 2 letters, C and E, which comes for causes and effects respectively. From the moment we wake up, we are surrounded by scientific inventions and discoveries like alarm clock, digital bulbs, lights, fans, and radio, which makes our life more comfortable and efficient. Science is a big blessing of the humanity and mankind. It also enhances and shapes our experience in various ways. Furthermore, science, in spite of some of its negativities, that make the life of people better for their lives by removing ignorance, suffering, and hardship. That includes transportation, communication, medicines, food technology to cook food, critical thinking, and many more. Science also made it possible to build the building in which we live and the clothes that we wear. So in the last, I want to say this quote about science which says, the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A pleasant evening to Honorable Chairperson, Director Sir, teacher and my fellow friend. I am Divyanshu Kumar from class 5th. Today I am here to talk about how science makes our life easier. We all know that science is a subject that makes our life easier and comfort. From the moment we wake up, science with us. Our alarm clock, light and even the fan we use are powered by electricity. A gift of science with machines like washing machines, refrigerator to household chairs are much easier. In medicines, science has given us vaccines, medicines and advanced machines like X-ray to keep us healthy and cure disease. Even the traveling, we become faster with car, aeroplanes and train to save our time and effort. In short, science improves our life in many ways. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A lovely evening to all present here. I am Ashish from Standard 5th. Today I speak and speech on the topic of how science makes our life easier. As we know, science is a subject that we all read in our classroom, but science has provided us so many amenities of life. There are many ways that science makes our life easier, like transportation, education, knowledge, communication, etc. The time of travel is also reduced. The science makes the distance easily. The science and technology makes our life easier and more comfortable, but there are so many negative effects like pollution. The science has also makes our life easier and so many empties of life. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of all, a very evening to all of you respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Satyam Kumar. I am standard class 5th. Today I am delivering a short speech on the topic of how science makes our life easier. Science is played a circular role in making our life too easier. More contribution impacting virus affect daily living. One of the most scientific contribution science is a field health. Medical advancements such as vaccine, antibiotic medicine and वगैरह. Science is experimental thing and very fast. It has learn ideas, technology and etc. I also call it learn science.